This is entrance with lobby.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can I see lobby?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, vlogger yan na.
Okay, not problem. Here, take video lobby.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. I just want to ask you a few questions. How much for long time stay? For example, 1 month.
Yeah.
How much?
We have 1 month stay. It's 25,000. Not included the electricity and the water.
25 not included.
Yeah. And then 30,000 for the 1 month, included the electricity and the water.
For 30,000 all including.
Yeah.
So with you can with information. Okay. So different kind of room, yes?
Sir?
Different kind of rooms or standard room always?
Standard.
Standard rooms. All the room the same standard. Can I see the room if available right now? You can see this lobby, comfortable seat, it's me. It's bar, now close. It's good.
Open mo na.
Yeah, I think it's new hotel. It's good looking. Have security also, so safety here, safety place. So we're going to check the room. Room. Don't have power now. And this also another lobby maybe. Yes. Oh, have swimming pool also. Take a look. It's good with swimming pool. Don't have people right now. KLM Condotel. Nice place. Really silent. Only sometimes you can hear airplanes. But it's okay, not always. Bar, kitchen. It's not good. I like place. Window. It's good.
We have a smart TV, sir. And then,
Smart TV.
yeah. And then this is the toilet.
Toilet.
We have a mini fridge.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Have heater also.
yeah, we have a heater also, sir.
Heater. It's all new.
Then we have a 2 aircon, one for the
Good aircon split system.
yeah. We have an aircon on the bedroom.
Also
This is
another
the queen size bed, sir.
queen size bed.
We have a drawer.
Here don't have windows and silent, so silent
Yeah,
here.
sir. And then here's the balcony.
Also balcony have. Oh, good.
If you can smoke.
Smoke allowed
This is the
here.
smoking area for the
Yes, you can take clean clothes also.
yeah.
And view. This is view. Nice. So safety. Yes, it's good. It's nice. So big. It's standard room, but
Yeah.
it's with 2 rooms. Bar also have menu. Sprite 55 peso. So you can use bar also. It's big. Available Wi-Fi or not?
Yeah. We have a router for the
Router with Wi-Fi.
yeah.
Refrigerator also. Kitchen you can cook here. Allowed cook here. Allowed.
Yeah.
Allowed. Or better of course cook outside. It's good room. So this is room is including everything 30,000 peso.
Yes.
Without electric 25,000 peso.
Yeah.
1 month.
Yes.
But if 6 months or not problem to contract, without contract or need contract. Contract need or not?
Sir?
How many minimum stay? Minimum.
Oh, we have 1 day, 1 night stay, and then we have 1 year stay, like room 107. The guest is almost 2 years to stay here.
Ah, so can 2 years already, someone already stay 2 years?
Yeah, sir.
Most of is maybe Korean or not?
Sir?
Most of the visitors is Korean or on any nationality?
Any nationality?
Any nationality.
Yeah.
How?
We have, last time we have a Korean guest, Indian guest.
Indian also. For example, if a guest want to stay with a girl or maybe friend, if visitors allowed to stay here, need register or free?
We have visitor hours here. Like 10 p.m. It's the visitor hours, and then if we stay here one night, you can pay for the extra person.
Extra person need to pay. Okay. What about parking? If visitor have need to park car, is free parking or who stay here? Parking is available or free or need to pay?
Yeah. No. It's a free.
Free.
For the parking.
Parking
But,
is free.
If the extra person only, you can pay.
So if one car you park and your visitors need to already pay another extra.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You want to check this?
I already filming. Yeah, it's a swimming pool. It's nice swimming
and then
pool.
The function hall.
Yes.
We have a mini gym.
Mini gym also have.
But we don't have weights. Just treadmill and bike only.
How long already with working with hotel? How many years?
I'm almost 1 year and a half. I'm been on November. On November, I'll been 2 years here.
But it's new. Look new. All furnished.
This is the building. We built like 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah, and then
So this is new building. Have another old and new building.
This is old building.
This is old
Yeah,
building.
and then this is the
This is new building.
Yeah.
But price is the same or not?
That's pricey. This is hotel type, just studio type.
Okay.
And then the price for the one night here is 2.5, and then this is 2.2 for the overnight.
Okay.
Just pricely.
Little bit high price, little bit for 300 peso more need add. Okay. Thank you very much for information.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Sir.
Bye. So guys, you already seen this is hotel. It's very nice hotel, new hotel, and 330,000 peso including electric. I think it's okay because it's silent place, not so many people.